Hey there, welcome back. nickrehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. In the last video, we explored how to track your funnel's performance using key metrics. Today, we're diving deeper into the advanced funnel analytic strategies so you can get laser-focused insights and optimize for maximum results. See, basic analytics gives you the what, but advanced analytics tells you the why behind your funnel's performance. It's about uncovering hidden trends, predicting behaviors, and fine-tuning every step of your funnel for exponential growth. See, with the right strategies, you'll not only improve conversions, but also uncover opportunities you didn't even know existed. First up, segmentation. Don't look at your funnel data as one big picture. Break it down by audience segments. Analyze performance by demographics, behaviors, or traffic sources. Maybe your Facebook ads drives more conversions, but your Instagram traffic engages longer. These insights will let you prioritize and tailor strategies for each segment. Next is cohort analysis. This powerful strategy tracks groups of leads based on when they entered your funnel. It shows you how behavior changes over time. For example, if leads tend to drop off after day 5, you know exactly when to add a re-engagement email or retargeting ad to keep them moving. Imagine knowing what's likely to happen before it does. Predictive analytic tools like Google Analytics 4, HubSpot, or Kissmetrics use your historical data to forecast future performance. With these insights, you can plan ahead, scale campaigns that are likely to succeed, and optimize underperforming steps before they become a problem. Heatmaps and scroll tracking tools give you a visual understanding of user behavior. Are visitors ignoring your CTA? Are they dropping off halfway through the page? See, these tools will help you to make your design decisions that guide users seamlessly through your funnel. Attribution modeling is all about understanding what drives conversions. Are leads coming in from paid ads, email campaigns, or organic traffic? See, instead of guessing, you can see the exact channels and touch points that contribute to most of your success. This lets you double down on what works and eliminate what doesn't. Let's face it, data can be overwhelming. That's where automated reports come in. Tools like Google Data Studio, Tableau, or HubSpot can create custom dashboards that deliver insights straight to your inbox. Set up reports for your most important metrics so you always know how your funnel is performing without digging through endless data. So what's the takeaway? Advanced funnel analytics gives you the power to truly understand your audience, identify gaps, and predict trends to maximize your results. Start segmenting your data, analyze behavior trends, and leverage tools like predictive analytics and attribution modeling to fine-tune every stage of your funnel. And if you want to fast-track your success, head over to freedomlifebusiness.com to access done-for-you funnels and tools that are already optimized for results. Comment below with the analytic tools you're excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to scale your success. See you in the next video. Always make it a wonderful day. And remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.